Hey guys, welcome back again to another exciting video. Previously I have discussed about the Tanpura's history and construction. We hope you have learned a lot about it. If you have not seen the previous video, then you can catch up with it by clicking the link in description. In today's video, we will continue the introduction of Tanpura. The points which we are going to discuss are about its bridge and strings and its types. Therefore, before we begin, if you are new to this channel and like the content we post, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you'll never miss any updates when we upload a new video. Let's get started. At first, we will look at the parts of the Tanpura. On the left hand side, you are having the Carnatic Tanpura. In the middle, you have the normal Tanpura. And on the right hand side, you are having the Tanpuri, which is used for instruments. Now, let's talk about the bridge and strings. The overtone rich sound and the audible movement in the inner resonance of the tone is achieved by applying the principle of Jivari, which creates a sustained buzzing sound in which particular harmonics will resonate with focused clarity. To achieve this effect, the strings pass over a table-shaped, curved top bridge, the front of which slopes gently away from the surface of the strings. When a string is plucked, it has an intermittent periodical grazing contact with the bridge. When the string moves up and down, the downward wave will touch a far point on the curve of the bridge. And as the energy of motion of the string gradually diminishes, these points of contact of the string on the bridge will gradually shift as well, being a compound function of amplitude, the curvature of the bridge, pitch, string tension and time. When the string is plucked, it has a large amplitude. As the energy of the string's movement gradually diminishes, the contact point of the string with bridge slowly creeps up the slope of the bridge. Depending on the scale, tension and pitch, this can take between 3 and 10 seconds. This dynamic process can be fine-tuned using a cotton thread between strings and bridge. By shifting the thread, the grazing contact sequence is shifted to a different position on the bridge, changing the harmonic content. Every single string produces its own cascading range of harmonics and at the same time builds up a particular resonance. According to this principle, Tanpuras are attentively tuned to achieve a particular tonal shade relative to the tonal characteristics of raga. These more delicate aspects of tuning are directly related to what Indian musicians call raga swarup, which is about how characteristics intonations are important defining aspects of a particular raga. The Tanpura's particular setup with a cotton thread as a variable focus point made it possible to explore a multitude of harmonic relations produced by a subtle harmonic interplay in time of its 4 strings. Well, that was the bridge and strings. Now let's talk about the types. There are 3 types of Tanpuras, each of which differs in size and tone. The exact measurements vary between instrument makers and the figures below are average estimates. These 3 categories are also represented by many electronic Tanpuras and apps. At first, we have the instrumental Tanpura, or well known as Tanpuri. It is the smallest version with the length typically below 115 cm, roughly 3.5 feet. Typically accompanying sarod and sitar compositions, the instrumental Tanpura is tuned around the key of C or Sa. Number 2. Female Tanpuras. These are the medium sized at around 130 cm in length, a little over 4 feet, and are typically used to accompany female singers. Tuned near the key of G or Pa, this version is pitched between the instrumental and male version. Third and last, the male Tanpuras. These are the largest ones with the length of 150 cm, nearly 5 feet, and are typically used to accompany male singers. The sound produced by the male version is louder and sustains longer than the others. This Tanpura is also tuned near to the key C or Sa but is pitched lower than the instrumental version. Male vocalists use the male instrument and the pitch their tone note sa, often at D or C sharp or lower. Some go down to B flat. Female singers usually a fifth higher, though these tonic notes may vary according to the preference of a singer, as there is no absolute and fixed pitch reference in the Indian classical music system. One female singer may take her sa at F, another at A. Sitarias tune mostly around C sharp, Sarodias around C, Sarangyas vary more between D and F sharp, and Basurias mostly play from E. The male Tanpura has an open string length of approximately 1 meter, and the female is 3/4 of the male. The standard tuning is 5-8-8-1, or in Indian Sargam, Pa Sa Sa Sa. For ragas that omit the fifth tone, Pa, the first string is tuned down to the natural fourth, 4-8-8-1 or Ma Sa Sa Sa. Some ragas require a less common tuning with Shuddh or Komal Ni, 7th major or minor, Ni Sa 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 or 7-8-8-1, or even with the 6th Dha Sa Sa Sa, major or minor. With a 5-string instrument, the 7th or Ni, natural minor or major 7th can be added. Pa Ni Sa Sa Sa, Pi 7-8-8-1 or Ma Ni Sa Sa Sa, 4-7-8-8-1. Both minor and major 7th harmonics are clearly distinguishable in the harmonic texture of the overall sound. So, when the Ni string are tuned into these harmonics, the resultant sound will be perfectly harmonious. Usually, the octave strings are in steel wire and the tonic 4th or 5th strings in brass or bronze wire. If a string will be tuned to the 6th or 7th, a steel string is advised instead. Well, that's all with the bridge and strings and its types. We hope you have understood the concept. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You'll find the contact details down in the description. If you have liked today's video, then don't forget to drop a like to the video and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the third part of the Tanpura introduction. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.